Hello everyone and welcome back to the CloudMersive YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quick security button in Power Automate that checks if an IP address is a Tor exit node server. To do this, we're going to use the CloudMersive security connector. Tor nodes aren't always used in a negative context, but they're great to know about as they provide a high level of anonymity to the user and can indicate shady activity under the surface on your server. Let's get started. From the Power Automate homepage, click on Create to get started and then select Instant Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, select the option to trigger manually, and then click Create down at the bottom to get started. Once you make it to the flow design page, click New Step to begin. This flow won't need a file input from our system, so we can jump straight into the connector action. Type CloudMersive into the operations search bar and select the CloudMersive security connector with the black logo from the list of options below. Typically, if you've never used one of these connectors, this is where you'll be prompted to enter in a name for your connection and supply your CloudMersive API key. Once done, your information will be saved for the next use like mine has, and you'll go straight to the actions list. In the security connector action search bar, type Tor Node and select the only option that comes up. There's only one parameter to satisfy here, so all you need to do is copy in the IP address you want to check, and then you can move on to the final step. For the last operation in the flow, we're going to set up a simple email notification that will let you know the results of the Tor node check once they're complete. Click New Step, and this time search Send me an email notification in the operations search bar. Then, select the option below with the red bell icon. It's time now to define the subject and body of the email we'll be receiving. You can make the subject whatever you want, but I recommend making it something directly to the point, like Tor node scan results, so it doesn't get lost in a busy inbox. For the body of the email, click on the search bar and select the dynamic content option Is Tor node. This will provide you with a true or false response, the former indicating that there was a Tor node detected, the latter indicating the opposite is true. Is now complete, so you can go ahead and save and begin the testing process. Navigate to the upper right corner of the page and click Test to begin. Select the manual option and then click Test at the bottom followed by Continue and Run Flow. After a few seconds, you should see green check marks appear on each operation on the flow to confirm that they all worked smoothly. If Power Automate noticed any errors in your input, you'll get a very quick error log on the right side of the page instead. Now, let's make sure the flow really worked by checking our email inbox. As you can see here, I got a result for my Tor node scan, which tells me that I'm in the clear. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more content in the future.